my God, it looks so good. Oh man, it looks so good. I've been waiting so long for this. Yeah, 3 years. I don't even want to touch it, it's so perfect.
So this is a 1979 Ford Bronco Ranger XLT. The story behind it is I've had one of these when I was a kid, when I was 17, and then I lost it, and so it's been a dream to get a new one and to go get it restored. And I wanted to have the chromatic stripes put on by AFS. I also wanted to have the PPF package put on to protect the paint so I can use it for years and years and not have to worry about touching it up. So I specifically chose AFS because you guys have more experience doing this than anybody else. And all the reviews that I saw from other customers who have cars that are much more complex and have more curves, they were extremely happy. So I knew something like this, I knew you guys were going to do a great job on it. And my impression was even better than what I expected. Not only are the decals on there perfectly, but you can tell that the way the PPF was applied, I can't see the seam lines between where the decals begin and the PPF starts. And that just, there's no way I'd be able to find that anywhere else. This is the best experience I have. I can't recommend you guys high enough. I hope everybody comes here. If you've got a special car that you want to protect for years to come, you've got to get your PPF here.
All right, folks, welcome back. Today we've got something truly special in the shop, a 1979 Ford Bronco that's been on an incredible journey. After 3 years of meticulous restoration, this beauty has finally made its way to autofilm specialists for the finishing touches, and let me tell you, we're about to take it to the next level with our Pack PPF and custom chromatic graphics. This Bronco isn't just a truck, it's a dream brought back to life. The owner shared an amazing story about how he had a Bronco just like this at 17, but life took it away. Years later, he's made that dream a reality, and we're honored to be a part of it. He also had some incredible things to say about our team, calling our service top-notch and saying he wouldn't trust anyone else for PPF installations. So let's dive in and show you how we're about to protect and transform this iconic ride into something truly unforgettable. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more of our projects and behind-the-scenes action. Let's get into it.
my God, it looks so good. Wow. Wow. God, it looks so good. I didn't know it was gonna come out this good. Wow, those look perfect, and they're straight as can be. Yeah.
So we made sure he aligned them at the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, it looks so good in the light. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. It looks so good. Now, did you guys got down over here.
Yeah, so you can actually.
You can't even see the seam. Wow.
If you see the seam just right there.
Oh yeah, but you gotta get, yeah, I gotta get like 6 inches away, but that is amazing. Yeah, it's seamless basically.
It goes all the way to the back.
Oh. Ooh, look at the back, look at the back, it's so good. Oh, you got the letters on and everything. Oh. Oh man, it looks so good. I've been waiting so long for this. Okay.
3 years, right?
Yeah, 3 years. Oh my God. I don't even want to touch it, it's so perfect. Oh wow. Now I wonder, what did it look like I guess you did, if you shined a light on it at night?
With the reflective.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going dark.
Oh! It already looks so good. Okay. That's so good. Yeah, it picks up just a little bit of like the reflective. Yeah.
You go on the other side and shine the light.
Yeah, okay. Oh, it's so good. Look at that. Oh, here, hold on. Yeah, set it
I
up.
think the light just ran out of battery. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. That's awesome. Oh. Oh, the side right there. Yeah. Just that little hint of the yellow there. Yeah. Oh. It's beautiful. Oh, it really is like a Hot Wheels there. Yeah. That'll definitely show up at night. Yeah. Oh. That is really cool right there. Yeah.